Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, your ultimate pit stop for automotive news, reviews, and all things wheels. Today, we're diving into a nostalgic revival that's making waves in the Indian auto market, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. This isn't just a car, it's a cultural icon reimagined for the modern age. The legacy revisited. The Hindustan Ambassador has been an enduring symbol of Indian roads since its inception in the 1950s. Often dubbed the King of Indian Roads, it was more than a car, it was a statement. After its production ceased in 2014, enthusiasts hoped for a return, and now in 2025, the dream has been realized. The Ambassador 1800 ISZ brings classic design and heritage into the 21st century with a bold comeback. Design, classic soul, modern body. The 2025 model retains the car's iconic silhouette but infuses it with sleek, contemporary lines. LED lighting, alloy wheels, and a refined chrome grille reflect the original Ambassador's charm while adapting to today's design language. The build quality is significantly upgraded, offering a robust stance that pays homage to its vintage lineage while clearly setting a new standard. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the new Ambassador sports an 1,800 cubic centimeters ISZ petrol engine developed with inputs from the latest emission and efficiency standards. The engine delivers a refined 130 HP, paired with a 6-speed manual or optional automatic transmission. It offers a smoother, quieter ride while maintaining that robust road presence the Ambassador was known for. Performance-wise, this is a dignified cruiser, not a racer, perfect for city drives and highway cruising alike. Interior and features. Step inside and you'll find a plush, premium cabin with retro-inspired styling and modern technology. A digital analog instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, climate control, and leatherette upholstery all come standard. Rear seat comfort remains a priority, just as it did in the past, now enhanced with better cushioning and legroom. Safety and pricing. The 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat anchors. While not overly loaded with high-end ADAS features, it offers dependable safety for its price range. Expected pricing starts at 12.5 Indian rupees lakhs, ex-showroom, making it a compelling choice for those seeking retro flair with modern reliability. Conclusion: a welcome comeback. The Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ is not just a return, it's a rebirth. With its timeless appeal, improved engineering, and competitive pricing, it bridges the gap between past glory and present-day expectations. At Pro Wheelhouse, we call this a respectful revival done right.